You, Shottas, Killy. Let me tell you something. Yeah? You see, I know no bad on the brave and the mighty because I see wickedness and killing and crashes are going all over the world. I don't know if nothing turn up. You see? I don't know so now Jamaican, I don't know on a different wavelength. Cut above the rest. I don't know so nothing mad. I don't know can be mad. I don't can show some boys to feel them thing no mad like phone no one day. Yeah? Because on a Jamaican though. Born upon the rock, on the used to the struggle, and I want to done slavery. But so on a feel for remember, is that the JCF, the police them, and the JDF, born upon the rock too. Them done slavery too. Them a Shottas too. See? Same blood run through them like you and same spirit. You understand what I say? Them grew up under the same consequence like you. The same circumstance mold them in the adult that they are. You get what I say? So regardless of your circumstance or you were brought up and things like that, you know, when you turn adult, the decision is yours, the choice is yours, which route you want to choose. In most cases, still in the Jamaican cases, the routes are not dictated by the individual himself. You know, see, because scarce benefits and spoils. You get what I say? No, limited or next to nothing opportunity down there, especially for the scholars or for the one that learn to a certain degree. But yeah, stick to the point. Yeah, the Shottas them move. Furthermore, I tell you say I'm an idiot. I tell you, I don't ask you for no more sound, especially the one them from Clarendon and Moby and them place, the countryman them way. No used to go until the past 10 years. Them just start feel the, you know what I say? Yeah, the psychology behind owning a gun or having a gun, possessing a gun. Them just start angle them emotions. You get what I say? Them can't sip beyond that. There's no experience, there's no record, there's no history amongst them that where them can learn from. I gravitate from for no say certain things don't make sense. You know, push certain things to a certain degree because the end result now go nice. The ripple effect, the after effect now go nice. Especially the country youth, them don't have them experience and them just see a gun and think so well, then I eat this, me have a gun, him have a gun, two of it. You get what I say? I know a man who walk in a crowd, a 6 rifleman with a matic. Jamaican right now. We walk in a crowd, a 6 rifleman with a matic and drop the 6 of them before them know what go on. You understand what I say? Yeah, that thing the possible too, you know. You get what I say? But the point where I try to reach is just I don't forget how terrible them soldiers they can be and how the police them can be. How bad people them too, you know. When you think I punk them? No, just put yourself in a for them shoes now with the heart and the courage that you have. Yeah? What if you would train and can fire shot like JDF? Eh? No, you facing a man in a JDF, they have the heart and the courage like what you have. Let me tell you this. Most of the men them in a JDF have the heart and the courage where you have. All of them, if you know, all of them. All of them. Every soldier braver than all of them. I tell you that. I not ask. You get me? Because I get trained for you know, deal with certain things. You understand? And the moment you learn how to handle certain situation, your senses automatically adapt that ability. So it's no longer an issue. Just like if you can't cook, when you learn to cook, you don't have a problem with cooking again, though. It's like that is not an issue anymore. The same thing with shooting. After the man them train for shoot some fool, I don't no problem no more. From far too. You see, enough time police and some you don't have the hard time when you know have the upper hand. You know see, but if you should weigh the situation, you know, say it's just circumstances why you know get the upper hand. You understand what I say? still now say, well, all on an idiot and we can't kill police and we can't kill soldier. You know? Anybody can dead. You know, see, I just the ratio, I just the challenge, I just the, you understand, the equal forces coming together and we say who triumphing at the end. You get what I say? If you stand up in front of it not go where something with me, I experience me I tell you about. Me, there is no debating with none of uno if you're not a bad man for soldier. You know, see. So the police them now have a more take a more light approach to militancy. When them approach and address the issues, especially gunman issue. But soldier not really. Soldier always screwed up and screwed in. Jamaica, JDF, me I tell you about. You understand what I say? The man that was sneaky, the man that was screechy come stand up next to you before you realize say, them there. I've seen it happen before. And that are the thing with enough for Uno. Country youths them. Uno no have no experience to see Jamaica JDF in an operation. You understand? Like basically stand up watching them going up against somebody and see the result. You understand me attack? I mean shoot out, you know. Within them and gunman or 3-4 rifleman for all a bit. And them now run gun away. You understand what I say? And the way them pro and the way them deal with themselves and the way them you understand? You can see say like some robot. The government program and send out there for go fire shot. You understand what I say? Them think different. You know see? I not diminish your ability, you know, as gunman, you know, with a gun, you know, and can fire it and whatever, you know. I not diminish that neither. Because man is just a man, though. You see, but the bottom line, you're born for dead. Because bad man, badness go on in everywhere, every corner of the earth. You get what I say? But it's the most bad man who succeed to a degree. Because enough top businessman out there where you see right now in a corporate was gangster. They whole heap of illegality before them reach them there, but them use it as a platform for reach where them there. You understand? Uno now for no limited head space, the little piece when a phone brain telling us say, like I hit this is the pinnacle, this is the apex of life. Once you own a gun, there is no more beyond this. So now want nothing else. We reach. Like I'm telling yourself that as you. At that now, at the diminishment in ability to think, or the diminishment of your respect as a human being. Because you don't respect your own life. You know, see it, and you know, show no value or no word to the people around you either. So them happily, quickly sell you out. And you sell out your friend them and everybody around you because the seduction of the gun is what kept you as a rebel. You know, see it. It's not an intent of such or any particular reason. So you never foresee the suffering will come or the consequence will come with being a gunman or a stepper. So you never fortify your mind or your fortitude for really deal with the consequence. So when the consequence reaches you, prepare for all bend over, you know, and make a guy do him for the behind you so that you can come back on road. I be that me see I go on amongst you know, because the way you clean and bleach out and them little thing there and decent and a dead all in a red suit and white suit and them thing there with guns side down. You know. It's like, when I idiot, when I born for dead. You know see it? Man, I know, it's like a waste life, man, and a lose thing, Rasta. You know see it? Me not encourage you to get militant or do this or do that. No. Tactics, me not drop to no. Me just rub it in on your face so you dead off like fool cause you just such. To do it on a profile and a program, I rub it without a cause, we'll always die without a cause. You know see, share, like and subscribe.